How to start a streak on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create or how you can start a streak in Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Snapchat and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, you can just swipe to the right to see the list of your friends. Now right here, what you will need to do is, if you want to start a snap streak, you and your friend must send each other a snap, not a message, just a snap. Just take a snap like this and then send it to your friend. So after you send it to a friend, your friend will need to send a snap back. Now this should happen between 24 hours for 3 consecutive days. After that, a flame emoji will appear right here, which will indicate the start of your streak. Now, within 24 hours, both you and your friend should start sending streaks, or you should send streaks to each other to keep it alive. And that's basically how you start a streak on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.